My dear students, in the previous video, we started to solve the problems in the exercise 2.4. Now, I will continue the exercise 2.4. Exercise problems 2.4. In the previous video, we solved the first sum only. The second sum is, if z equal to x plus iy, then find the following into the rectangular form. If z equal to x plus iy, convert the following problems into the rectangular form. Into the rectangular form. A rectangular form is nothing but x plus iy form. The complex number itself is given by x plus iy. Convert the following into the rectangular form. Rectangular form is x plus iy form. First sum, real part of 1 by z. Real part of 1 by z. You convert this into the rectangular form. First, z is x plus iy. What is 1 by z? 1 by x plus iy. 1 by z is 1 by x plus iy. To convert this, you multiply numerator and denominator by x minus iy, conjugate of the denominator. X minus iy by x minus iy. That is equal to x minus iy by a plus ab into a minus ab is a square plus b square. X plus iy into x minus ab is x square plus y square. Now this is the common denominator. You split this into x by x square plus y square plus minus iy times of x square plus y square. So real part of this is 1 by z. What is real part of 1 by z? Because they are asking real part of 1 by z. Real part of 1 by z is this one, x by x square plus y square. This is the real part of 1 by z. And this is the rectangular form, and this in this rectangular form it is x by x plus y square. They are asking only real part. Next, second one, real part of minus, second problem, real part of I z bar. Real part of I z bar. The z is x plus iy. So what is I z bar? I times of z bar is x plus iy bar. This is z bar. Z is x plus iy. Conjugate of x plus iy is x minus iy. Multiply by I, this is ix. This is minus I into I square y. This is ix. I square is minus 1, minus into minus plus y. So again, a real part of I z bar is, real part is y only, because x is imaginary part. X containing imaginary part, therefore real part is y only. So second sum, real part of y z bar is y. First sum, real part of 1 by z is x by x plus. That's all, there's two problems. Next, third one in the exercise. Third problem, you see. Imaginary part of third one. Imaginary part of dz plus 4z bar minus 4i. 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i. Imaginary part of this quantity, that is 3z plus 4z bar minus 4i equal to, what is 3 is that? What is 3 is that? 3 times of z. Z is x plus iy. Therefore, 3 into z is 3 into x plus iy. Okay. Plus 4 z bar. Z bar is x minus iy because z is x plus iy. Z bar is minus 4. Simplification, you will get 3 into x is 3x plus I into 3 into y 3y plus 4 into x 4x minus I times of 4 into y 4y minus 4i. Collecting real part 3x plus 4x. Imaginary part, what is that? 3y 3 minus I 4y plus I 3y. That is I minus iy. 4y minus 4y plus 3y is minus iy. And minus 4 into I. See, you simplifying these two, minus 4 iy plus 3 iy. That is minus only iy. This is equal to, this is 7x. Here you are taking plus I outside as a common imaginary part, you will get minus y minus 4. I times of minus y minus 4 if you take common I outside. So now imaginary part of 3 times of z plus 4 is z bar minus 4i equal to, what is imaginary part here? I part is imaginary part, it is minus y minus 4 answer. That's all. This is the third problem. Next, this is the second one, the third subdivision. Now, let's say the third problem. Okay? Shall I erase this? Okay. Second problem over. Now come to the third problem. Third one is, if z1 equal to 2 minus I and z2 equal to minus 4 plus 3i, then find the inverses of z1 into z2. First one, find the inverse of z1 into z2. Find the inverse of z1 into z2. For that, you first find out z1 into z2. z1 into z2. z1 is 2 minus I. z2 minus 4 plus 3i. Multiplication, minus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into plus 3, 2 3s are 6i. Minus I into minus 4 plus 4i. Minus into minus plus 4i. Minus into plus minus I 3 I into I square. That is minus 8. I square is minus 1 into minus plus 3. This is 6i plus 4i is 10i. So this is minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 plus 10i. This is z1 z2. z1 into z2. Then inverse of z1 into z2. That is z1 z2 inverse. I am asking to find out z1 into z2 inverse. That is 1 by z1 into z2. It is equal to 1 by minus 5 plus 10i. To simplify this, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So z1 Z2 inverse equal to 1 by minus 5 plus 10 9. Multiply with the conjugate of the denominator minus 5 minus 10 9 by minus 5 minus 10 9. So this is 1 into minus 5 minus 10 9 is minus 5 minus 10 9 in the numerator. By the denominator a plus ib into a minus ib. A plus ib. A is minus 5. So a square plus b square is 10 square. That is minus 5 minus 10 9 by 5 square is 25 plus 10 square is 100. That is minus 5 if you take common outside in the numerator, minus 1 minus 5 if you take common, you will get 1 plus 2i by 125 minus 5 by 125 you get 5 by 125. This is 5 times 25 times of 5 into 1 plus 2. You cut by 5 both numerator one time by 25 times. So minus 1 by 25 into 1 plus 2i. This is the inverse of Z1 into Z2. This is the first sum. Okay. So this is the first sum. Next I will go to solve the second sum. I am going to solve the second sum. Okay. See. Second sum is find the inverse of Z1 by Z2. Okay. Second sum, find the inverse of Z1 by Z2. This is the second sum. It is you have to find out Z1 by Z2 inverse. Z1 by Z2 inverse you have to find. This is nothing but Z1 by Z2 inverse is 1 by Z1 by Z2. Z1 by Z2 inverse is 1 by Z2 by Z2. It is nothing but 1 by A by B is B by B. That is Z2 by Z2. 1 by Z1 by Z2 is denominator to the denominator becomes the numerator. Z2 by Z2. Therefore, Z1 by Z2 inverse is nothing but Z2 by Z1. So now what is Z2? Z2 is minus 4 plus 3i by Z1 is 2 minus I. Now that is, you multiply the minus 4 plus 3i by 2 minus I. You multiply the conjugate of the denominator both in the numerator and in the denominator. That is 2 plus I by 2 plus I. Multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. It is again equal to 2 times of minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Then minus 4 into I minus 4I plus 3 into 2 plus 3I into 2 plus 3 to the 6i plus 3i into I 3i square minus 8 minus 4i plus 6i plus 3i square by A plus IB into A minus IB. A is 2 square plus B 1 square. A plus IB into A. That's all. Okay. Now this is again equal to Z2 by Z1. That is nothing but Z1 by Z2 inverse. Z1 by Z2 inverse is equal to numerator minus 8. I square is minus 1 So minus 3 plus minus plus into minus 3, 6 minus 4i is plus 2i. 6i minus 4i is 2i by 4, 2 square 4 plus 1 square 1. Numerator minus 8 minus 3 minus 11 plus 2i by 5. This is 1 by 5 into minus 11 plus 2i. This is the inverse of Z1 by Z2 inverse. Z1 by Z2 inverse is minus 11 plus 2i. That's all. That's it. Now we will solve the fourth one. Okay? Super. Fourth problem. Fourth one is the complex numbers u, v and w are given by u by a relation 1 by u equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w. The complex numbers u, v, w are given by 1 by u equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w, where v is where v three minus 4i and w equal to v equal to 3 minus 4i, w equal to 4 plus 3. Then find u. That is the problem. Then find u. If that u is given by relation 1 by u equal to 1 by v plus 1 by w, where v equal to 3 minus 4i and w equal to 4 plus 3i, then find u. So, by using the relation 1 by u equal to 1 by v 3 minus 4i plus 1 by w 4 plus 3. Now, by taking common LCM, 3 minus 4i into 4 plus 3i, that is 4 plus 3i plus 3 minus 4i. By taking LCM, you will get this 4 plus 3i into 3 minus plus 3 minus 4i into 1 is 3 minus 4. Numerator 4 plus 3 is 7. Minus 4i plus 3i is minus i. 7 minus i in the numerator. Denominator a plus 3 minus 4i into 4 plus 3i. 3 into 4, 12. 3 plus 3, 9i. 3 4 are 12. 3 into 3, 9i. Minus into plus minus 16i. And minus 4 3s are 12, I square. 7 minus 5, 7 minus I, that is equal to 1 by u equal to numerator 7 minus I by 12. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 12. 12 plus 12. And 16 minus 9. Minus 16 plus 9. What is it? 7. Minus 7i. Okay. Minus 16 plus 9i is minus 7i. So this is 7 minus I by 24 minus 7i. So 1 by u is this. What is u? They are asking you. Reverse, you can reverse it. 24 minus 7i by 7 minus I. This is what u. This is what they are asking. That's all about the problem. We will continue the next problem in the next video. Thank you.